Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to download the OBS studio on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to download the OBS studio or the open broadcast software on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in OBS project.com like this and hit enter, or you can simply search for OBS project or the OBS studio on the Google itself. And on the first result of the Google there is the OBS studio. Click over there and you can see we are on the home page of the OBS studio from different sites. One was from the Google, one was from the home page or the home address or the website or the web address of the OBS. So let's close one of these. Now, to download the OBS studio on your computer, first you'll be required to choose your OS on your computer, either Windows, Mac OS or Linux. For me it will be the Windows, so just click on Windows. And there guys, after clicking on the Windows, the download of the OBS studio has been started on our computer. Let's pause this because I have already downloaded the OBS studio, so let's hit Ctrl+J to download to view the download on my browser. And there you can see guys, I have already downloaded the OBS studio full installer over here. So let's cancel this one, and to install your OBS studio, directly double click it from over here. And there guys, the OBS studio installer is over here. Click on next and go through the process to install the OBS studio on your computer, because I'm making the current video with the OBS studio itself. And there guys, this is how you download the OBS studio on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.